Welcome to class 3, subject mathematics, chapter number 6, coins and currency notes. In this lesson, we are going to learn about coins, old and new, and also currency notes. In this picture, you can see the coins are 10 paise, 20 paise, 5 paise, 25 paise, and 50 paise. These are old coins which were used earlier. Now, these coins are not in use. And these are the new coins which we use daily. 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, and 1 rupee coin.
Notes: 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, and 5 rupee note. Then 10 rupee note, old and new one. 20 rupee note, old and new one, both are in use. 100 rupee note. Then 500, 2000, 50 and 200 rupee notes. These all notes are in use.
Look at the picture of the currency note and coins and tell the value of it. Note is given as 20, so the value of the note is 20 rupees. 100 note, the value of this note is 100 rupees. And coin is 5, so the value of this coin is 5 rupee. Then 2, the value of the coin is 2 rupee. And 1, the value of coin is 1 rupee.
Write the total amount value in the empty boxes. Here you have to add the notes and get the answer. First is 500 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 10 rupee note. When you add it, you are getting answer as rupees 560. Second, 100 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 2 coins of 5 rupees and 1 2 rupee coin. Answer is 132. Tony is having 3 notes and the total amount value is 75 rupees. Salma is having 75 rupees but she is having 5 notes. Let's see which notes Tony is having. 50 rupee note, 20 rupee note and 5 rupee note. When you add it together, you are getting answer as 75 rupees. And Salma is having 3 notes of 20 rupees, 1 10 rupee note and 1 5 rupee note. When you add them, you are getting answer as 75 rupees. That means both Salma and Tony are right. Sanju is having a 100 rupee note, 4 notes of 20 rupees and 6 coins of 1 rupee each. So how much money does he have? When you add it together, you are getting answer as 186. Now how I got 80? When you add 4 notes of 20 together, you are getting answer as 80. And all together you will get answer as rupees 186. Then next is Anita is having 4 notes and their worth rupees is 170 rupees. Which notes she must be having to make 170 rupees? She is having a 100 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 10 and 2 notes of 10 rupees, and all together when you add it, you are getting answer as rupees 170. Now which other notes can you take to make 170? Notes will be 3 notes of 50 and 20. When you add together, you are getting answer as rupees 170. Draw a line to match the coin with its name. In this, some coins are given, and in the B part, some names of the coins are given. You just have to match the coin with its name. So let's start. The first one is 1 rupee coin. So in B part, where is 1 rupee coin? Yes, it's in the third position, 1 rupee coin. Then second is 50 paise. And in B part, yes, it's in the fourth position, 50 paise coin. Then third is 10 rupees, 10 rupee coin. And in B part, yes, it's in the second position, 10 rupee coin. And the last one is 5 rupee. And there's on the top B part, first position is 5 rupee coin. In this we are going to learn about very easiest form of word problems. Even you can do it orally. So let's start with the first one. Annie bought a pencil for rupees 10 and a eraser for rupees 5. He spent rupees dash altogether. So the one pencil is of rupees 10 and one eraser is of rupees 5. So altogether how much money does he spend? So 10 plus 5 gives answer as 15. So that means he spent rupees 15 altogether for pencil and eraser. Then second is Annie bought 2 eraser for rupees 10. If she bought 1 eraser, she would spend rupees dash. So that means 2 erasers are for rupees 10. So what would be the cost of 1 eraser? 1 eraser will be of rupees 5. So that means for 1 eraser she will spend rupees 5. Then the third is the cost of one of a pencil is rupees 10. For rupees 16, Annie can buy how many pencil? If one pencil is of 10 rupees, so for 60 rupees, how many pencils she can buy? That means if one pencil is of 10 rupees, then for 60 rupees she can buy how many pencils? 6 pencils. That means if you calculate 10 multiplied by 6 equals to answer is getting like 60. So for 60 rupees she can buy 6 pencils. Annie had rupees 50. He spent rupees 40 on 2 pencils. He has rupees dash left. So Annie was having how many rupees? 50 rupees, and in which he spent rupees 40 for 2 pencils. That means each pencil cost is 20 rupees each. So 20 plus 20 gives the answer as 40. So that means 2 pencils are of 40 rupees, and he was having how much rupees? 50. Now how much left from 50 minus 40? Answer is 10 rupees left. A cost of 1 eraser is rupees 5, and Annie bought 3 erasers. So how much money does he has to pay? That means 1 eraser is of 5 rupees, then 3 eraser will be of 15 rupees. 5 threes are 15. So Annie has to pay rupees 15 for 3 erasers. I hope you must have understood the lesson coins and currency very well. Thank you.